y'all, I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing well. I'm so tired. I'm so emotionally drained. So I'm still in South Africa, believe it or not. Still haven't put up the slab. It's what, this month is June. So I'm almost into a year and I haven't had a slab on my house. I can't find someone who's really willing to work with what I already have here, because when I started this journey, I thought the guy that was starting my house was gonna be the one finishing it, but things fell out of place, and I had to regroup. But basically today we were working mostly on leveling the soil around the house, because again, some of the problems he's created are continue to cost me. So we were leveling the soil around the house, and I'm going to show you the video of, like how it looks right now. But it's looking finally, I can see my house, and that feeling is absolutely awesome, because my house was kind of sitting on a mound, and I had to do some work around it to make it look like a house. So now you can see the whole house. Still have a lot of work to do in terms of landscaping, but overall seeing progress, and I'm trying to do as much as I can with the time that I have left.